Fun with colors! Hello everyone! Today, let's draw a cake. Let's begin by drawing the candles. Do you like celebrating birthdays? Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. If you wish to color the same image of cake, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. It's ready! Let's color with fun with colors. Do you know which color is this? Yes, this is pink color. Do you know the name of the shape in which we are coloring pink? Correct. This is a heart shape. Can you guess this color? Yes, this is orange color. Subscribe to the channel for more drawing and coloring videos. What is your favorite color? This is purple color. This is blue color. This is green color. This one is light green color. Can you guess this color? Yes, it is yellow color. This is pink color. Let's put blue color on the top of the cake. If you wish to color the same image of the cake, you can go on the description box, click on the link and download the image. Let's put red color in the candles. This is orange color. A